Hi guys, if you want to know how to connect your Google Chrome browser with a free VPN, you are in the right place. Let's change your locations or just browse with a VPN by first opening your Google Chrome browser. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Here you can find the extensions. Hover over the extensions and then click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Then click inside the search box on top and type in VPN. Of course you can choose your preferred one, but I choose this featured one. Then click on Add to Chrome. Add extensions, wait a few seconds and you can sign in into your Google account if you haven't already. Click on the free plan, continue limited, next, done. You can click now on this puzzle icon in the top right corner. You can pin your extension, open it, click on continue, start, continue with free plan. Wait for the X to appear in the top left corner. Click on it and then you can just click on the on button to connect to the VPN. You are now ready to browse to the internet with a VPN. If you choose a paid plan, you can also toggle on this ad blocker here. With a free plan, you can also change locations as you can see here. But if you want to have some special locations, as you see here, these locked ones, you need to have the paid plan to unlock them. And this is how you surf in the internet with a free VPN by using your Google Chrome browser. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.